Okay, so I'm just going to talk you through the 3D modelling process of this chair. I am going to create half of the chair leg and then I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to do that through using the Revolve tool and the mirror tool. So I'm going to start with this section of the leg here. Okay, I'm going to sketch a circle in the middle and I'm going to revolve it in two directions. That'll involve sketching a circle on the top work plane. So let's have a wee look at what I've got so far. So I have a circle and then I have an axis that I'm going to revolve around. It might make a little bit more sense if we look at it from above. So I'm just going to edit the sketch so you can see the sizes that I've used. So the diameter of the circle is 250. It's 600 millimeters in front of the front work plane, and it's 700 millimeters to the right of the right hand work plane. And this will make a little bit more sense now when we go to use the Revolve tool for this sketch. So we're going to Features, and we're going to Revolve, which should probably default to 360 degrees, which we don't want. I'm going to change that to 90 in one direction, which looks something like so. And then I'm going to add in direction 2, again 90 degrees, and confirm. If we go back to the drawing, you'll see that there's a little extended piece that's 600 millimeters long. That's this section back here. So I'm just going to add that in now. So that sits on this surface here. So we're going to add a sketch onto that surface, Control 8. I'm going to try and convert entities. So that's just going to select that outside edge and we're going to convert entities. So we're going to just try that again. So we're going to sketch on this surface here. I'm going to try and convert the entities of this outside edge here, which is basically turning that 3D edge into a 2D sketch, which it has done. And then it's as simple as taking this sketch now and using the extrude tool. I'm going to extrude it out. I think it was 600 according to the drawing, which it has automatically given me. Perfect. Okay, I'm also going to do another sketch on this surface here. I'm going to Control 8 and just look straight on again. So we should be sketching on there like so. Again, I'm going to use Convert Entities. I'm going to select this outside edge and confirm. So I've got this circle here which I'm going to revolve. What's it going to revolve around? Well, let's sketch on the right hand work plane. And let's come out of that sketch first of all. And we're going to go on to the right hand work plane and we're going to sketch. Control 8. And I'm just going to put in an axis. So it's just going to be a vertical axis. It sits in here roughly. Doesn't matter what size that line is. And I'm just going to make that line for construction, which you'll have done before. And that's me done my sketching for this part. So the plan is, if I just spin this round, is to spin this circle here, I'll just zoom in, which is in orange, around this axis, this construction line axis. So sketch 12 is the circle, so I'm just going to make sure I've got that selected, and I'm going to go Revolve. It's going to ask me potentially what axis to revolve around, so we click on this line here. And again, it defaults to 360. I'm going to change that to 90 degrees and confirm. Now, I've been a little bit too quick because you can see what's happened here. It's revolving it in the wrong direction, so we're just going to reverse the direction and confirm that. So that's me almost finished. I just need to use the mirror tool. So if we just zoom in a little moment, the mirror tool is up here, and for this task we're going to select the mirror plane to be this surface here. And the bodies, so you can sometimes mirror features, we're going to mirror bodies. We're going to select this body here and confirm. And there we go. That's us got our model chair.